Hey guys, this is Fun with Brittany. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Today what I'm gonna do is another Charlotte Tilbury unboxing. I had to restock my makeup kit, so these are just some items that I've been waiting to open in front of you. I won't be able to use all of them today, but you can go down below and check out my other videos to see if I've done the ones on the lip colors and the eye palettes, since that's something I really want to show you guys. But yeah, so I got this cute little box, and so I'm just gonna open it up and show you guys what I ended up with. The first thing that I have here is the little refillable lipsticks from Charlotte Tilbury. This one is called In Love with Olivia, and it's from the Hot Lips collection. I love these cases. They're so cute. Okay, this is a really pretty color. And so since this is Hot Lips, this is going to be a little bit more of like a shiny formula than the Matte Revolution. And then I ordered another refillable, and this one is the Enigmatic Edward. I am like especially obsessed with this little case. It's got the big cat on it. And this one is just going to be like a balm. So that is like something really nice to have in a little lipstick tube. And I did already open this one, but this is just the Collagen Lip Bath, and it comes in a couple colors. Pillow Talk is my favorite. Collagen molecule is too big to actually penetrate the skin, but what this will do is act as like a really nice plumper and kind of smooth out the lines. Like a lot of women get little lines around their lips, so this will definitely like smooth them out, especially for before makeup application. So I really love their lip bath products. I think that they're definitely a good value, especially if you have like more mature lips. If you're finally seeing like aging signs, that is definitely a really good product to partner up with the Charlotte Tilbury lipsticks, especially if you like the matte formulas. Those formulas just really need a little bit of moisture. You can see that I already did my makeup, just my face makeup today, but I always start my lips with either something like Collagen Lip Bath or like a really nice lip mask. I restocked the lip Lustre, and Blondie is just like a really pretty pink kind of shimmery sparkle color. And this one also goes really nice over Pillow Talk if you just want to kind of make it more of like a shimmery look. The other lip luster I got is Hall of Fame. I'm totally obsessed with this color. I used to sell so many of these when I was an artist for them. And it's just like a clear peachy. Oh, it totally goes with my nails too. I really like this color as well. And I think it looks nice by itself with, again, something like just the Pillow Talk liner would be really pretty with this. I got another lip luster, and this one is called Seduction. And it's almost just like a nude gloss. And I really like this with the other thing that I got, some more lip cheat pencils. And this one is in the color Iconic Nude. So the Seduction gloss and the Iconic Nude lip pencil pair really well. Okay, the other lip cheat pencil that I got is Hot Gossip. So I'll show you that color. And Hot Gossip is just like a really pretty, almost like taupey light brown. This one looks really pretty with either the Supermodel lipstick or the Matte Revolution medium Pillow Talk. You could also potentially use this one with the Pillow Talk Intense, which is much darker. It's for darker skin tones. I thought it would be pretty just for like someone with my skin tone, maybe for nighttime, and I did buy it and it was really dark, so probably don't try that one unless you have much darker skin. And then I got one of the Matte Revolution lipsticks in the color Super 90s, and this would be really pretty for just like a little evening look. And that would also go well with the Hot Gossip liner. I was able to get this adorable little set about a year ago, and this one has Rose Kiss and Blushing Dream. It does just come with the Pillow Talk liner, but it's nice that it is just like in a little set like this. And both of the lipsticks are minis. So restocking our Pillow Talk liner. And if you're not too familiar with Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk, go and check out some of my other videos. I do some full Pillow Talk looks. When I was selling Pillow Talk in the store, basically they only had one shade. So now they have medium and intense for medium, and then darker skin tones, which I really, really love that they finally incorporated that. Super happy to hear. But Pillow Talk is just like a really, really pretty pinky everyday look. So I think it really suits everyone, and it's just like perfect for professionals, it's perfect for everyday, perfect for stay-at-home moms, and it's definitely really great for more mature skin as well. So this one is the color Blushing Dream. That looks so pretty. And this one is the color Rose Kiss. Ooh, also very pretty. So you can tell by the way that they're shaped, whether they're the matte or the more glossy. Rose Kiss is the matte, and this cute little set also came with the more glossy Blushing Dream. I am super excited to try those lipsticks, and those were limited runs, so I'm not sure that they have those anymore, but I do see them pop kind of in and out basically, so you may be able to catch them again. They have certain items from Charlotte Tilbury that I'm always waiting for them to restock, so you can always keep your eye out for those ones. And then I got these two formulas. These are Pillow Talk Diamonds, so these are just a more shimmery Pillow Talk. One of them is called Lucky Diamonds, and one of them is called Pillow Talk Diamonds. And Lucky Diamonds is more of like a beige. And these are also in a different type of like container, and they are more of a moisturizing formula, so I do love these. That one looks super pretty. I'm so excited to try that. And I've actually never tried the Pillow Talk Diamonds formula, which is crazy because I've tried like every single Charlotte Tilbury product. This is gonna be so pretty. Okay, I got one refill of the Viva La Vergara lipstick, and I'm just going to use this as a little refill. You can see kind of what the sample looks like, but I don't want to open this up just because they're, you know, they only have a certain shelf life, so that's another thing to keep in mind about beauty products, guys. The easiest way to tell when something expires is it will show you this little indicator here. This one says 24 months, and it basically just means once something is opened, you have 24 months to use it. I got a full Fat Lashes mascara. This is really, really good for more sparse lashes. It gives you a lot of definition and curl, but if you already have thick lashes, you want to go with something like the Legendary Lashes 2. I got one Matte Revolution Supermodel, so I'm absolutely obsessed with this color, and this one's actually a gift from my mom. So I don't know why. Supermodel is just like such a good color, and it works on so many people. So this one is actually a really good gift, but any of the Pillow Talk collection, if you're looking for a gift, especially for the holidays coming up, definitely go with either the Pillow Talk or like a Supermodel lipstick. This is like a gorgeous everyday color, and you can see my Black Friday video as well down below where I do a makeup look with Pillow Talk Eyes to Mesmerize and the Supermodel on my lips. So we do have one more Hot Lips refillable lipstick here, and this one is called JK Magic. This is such a pretty case. And JK Magic is basically like a nude color, but I love that it's glossy. So I'm happy they did that with that formulation. And I have all these beautiful like little lipstick cases that I can refill now. first we have the Luxury Eye Palette, and this one is in the Dreamgasm color. This is one of my, probably my second favorite gifts. If you wanted to do a gift for somebody and they don't have very light skin, you could either do the Pillow Talk medium, or you could do the Dreamgasm eye palette with like the Supermodel lipstick. That would be a really, really good gift. And again, just click my videos down below to see all my Charlotte Tilbury eye palette reviews. This one is Walk of Shame. Now it's called Walk of No Shame, but this is super pretty for brown eyes. Go down below to see my tutorials of any of the eye palettes. I will try one on for you today. This one is Exaggereyes, also an awesome gift. This has got to be like one of my favorite eye palettes next to Pillow Talk. And then here is just my regular refill that I do of the Pillow Talk palette. Once you try it, you'll fall in love with it, and it'll be one that you have to have all the time. So I just love these colors. They're so pretty and natural, so easy to use every day, and so easy to use for nighttime. Just like perfect. Pillow Talk Original is so perfect for fair skin tones. So I totally love this. And it looks like that is everything we got in our little haul box. So I hope you guys loved this video. Go down in the comments and let me know what you think, as well as if there is any Charlotte Tilbury products you want me to try or do tutorials on. I would love to accommodate that. Charlotte Tilbury is one of my absolute favorite brands. A lot of you guys know I used to be a makeup artist for them. So I totally love this brand, and I hope you guys like this video. So go down in the comments and let me know what you think.